SAGMOTO X7 chassis, GVW 25 tons, UJ 220 horsepower, €5 engine, stable power, fast 8-speed gearbox, H61 double-layer frame, heavy load. The body volume, 12 cubic meters, 8 mm anti-wave baffle, higher pressure resistance, 6 mm high-strength steel body wall, robust structure. Water ring pump is suitable for dusty, heavy air environment and sandy sewage suction. Vertical suction height of 7 meters. Maximum suction rate of 21 cubic meters per minute. The hydraulic tailgate and two lifting hydraulic cylinders enable effortless unloading. Overflow and pressure relief valves at the top. Highlighted side view sewage pipe, convenient for observation. Stainless steel suction or discharge outlets are resistant to rust. Include with an 8-meter suction pipe. Ideal solution for sewage suction operations under various complex conditions.